Vehicles. Land, air, and sea. Ambulance. Ambulance. Our neighbor called an ambulance. Bulldozer. Bulldozer. The bulldozer is ready to move dirt. Motorcycle. Motorcycle. Motorcycles are great in the summer. City bus. City bus. We'll take the city bus downtown. Skateboard. Skateboard. I'm learning tricks on the skateboard. Forklift. Forklift. We use the forklift in the warehouse. Recreational vehicle. RV. The RVs stay at the campground. Submarine. Submarine. The submarine is exploring the ocean. Golf cart. Golf cart. We ride in the golf cart at the golf course. Car. Car. Let's take a drive in my new car. Train. Train. Did you see the train pass by? Truck. Truck. Alan drove the truck to the diner. Rickshaw. Rickshaw. A rickshaw can have 2 or 3 wheels. Helicopter. Helicopter. The helicopter flew by quickly. Scooter. Scooter. Scooters are easy to ride and fun. Boat. Boat. We use the small boat for fishing. Limousine. Limousine. A limousine picked us up at my house. Hot air balloon. Hot air balloon. A hot air balloon is rising high in the sky. Bicycle. Bicycle. Riding a bicycle is great exercise. Jet ski. Jet ski. Henry rode the jet ski across the lake. Garbage truck. Garbage truck. The garbage truck comes on Tuesday. Snowmobile. Snowmobile. Dress warm for the snowmobile ride. Crane. Crane. Cranes are used to help build things. Cruise ship. Cruise ship. The cruise ship has arrived at port. Fire truck. Fire truck. The fire truck was busy all night long. Van. Van. Pete slept in his van last night. Segway. Segway. We cruised around the city on segways. Airplane. Airplane. The airplane is taxiing to the gate. Sport utility vehicle. SUV. We took my SUV out to the desert. Tractor. Tractor. Jim uses his tractor on the farm.